Hi, I'm Day. At Fusion, automation isn't just what we sell, it's what we stand behind. Because when you invest in automation, you're not just buying a system, you're partnering with the team that's got your back from day one. Our experts are here to help you every step of the way, from concept and installation to training and lifetime support. We believe service should feel personal. Every morning, our team comes together not just to talk numbers, but to focus on what matters most, our customers. We align on service updates, new installs, and real-time solutions so your automation never misses a beat. That's why we answer calls, resolve issues fast, and treat every shop like it's our own. Whether you're running a single cell or full production line, we make sure your automation runs as hard as you do. At Fusion, our mission is simple: deliver world-class automation with world-class support. Fusion, unmatched service, unstoppable results. Until next time, have a great day.